just at Aldi in Hindley, hunting down Hot Wheels. Let's go in, let's see what they've got. I'll see you in there. Well, this Aldi does have a few boxes of Hot Wheels on the tills, and at £1.49, that is the best price for Hot Wheels in the UK. So yeah, well done Aldi. We're gonna skip these couple of boxes and go straight for this one on this till here because it looks really fresh, like it's just been put out, guys. You can see the cards are all stacked straight up. And first up, we've got the VW ID Buzz Bomb, which is a brand new casting for 2026. This is from that Hot Wheels Euro set, which is filled with 10 awesome European cars. And this casting is a nod to the original Volkswagen Beach Bomb, which is a highly sought collectible in the Hot Wheels world, and probably one of the most valuable as well, at $150,000 it was last valued at. But yeah, that thing had surfboards that went into the side windows or at the back if it was the prototype, the most expensive one. And this one's got those surfboards built into the roof here, made out of glass or plastic, obviously. We've got a very cool Buzz Bomb piece decal on the side there, quite hippie-ish, and it's in pink as well. I think that body might be plastic, but the white part's definitely metal. Very cool casting, and I am collecting that full Euro set, so I'll be taking this one. And we've got another one of those as well, two of them, so I'll leave that one here. We do have the Ferrari 365 GT B4 Competizione, which is from that brand new Ferrari set of 2026. And I know everybody's out there looking for Ferraris, and the livery on this one is just fantastic, isn't it? Really good looking car, but I think it's probably the least desirable car out of this, the F40, the Cilindri, and the Stradale. Let me know what Ferraris you guys have got. I'm just missing the Cilindri right now. But yeah, this one's an awesome livery and cool car in my opinion. It's a shame it's not being picked up as much. Let's keep looking. Got an F1 car. It's the Visa Cash App Racing Bulls Formula 1 car in that awesome white paint. We've got some blue around the wheels to match the blue decals on the side here as well. And you do get the Red Bull logo right there. And you've got a load of logos stamped on the back of the card there as well. This is from that Formula 1 set of 2026. And yeah, very sought after. I am collecting that full set, so very happy to see this one. I'll be taking that. And oh, no way! This is the treasure hunt. It's Hot Wings, which is a fantasy casting that's a bottle of hot sauce, and it's from that X-Racers set of 2026. But yeah, it is definitely a treasure hunt. You can see the silver flame stamp on the back of the card there. And I am collecting all the treasure hunts this year, so I'll definitely be taking this one. Let's see what else we've got. We've got the Feline Lucky, which is a Japanese ornament Lucky cat. And this is the golden variant from the new Experimotors set of 2026. The Experimotors set's pretty cool because they've always got a little hidden feature. And if you have a look on the back of the card, you can see what that feature is. This one is when you move the car forward, the cat's arm goes up and down, just like the Lucky Cat statues in Japan. Yeah, pretty cool. I did pick up the white variant of this though last year, so I'll leave this here. We've also got the 96 Porsche Carrera. This thing was staring me in the face the whole time. I did see it there. And this is from that Then and Now set of 2026, which has 5 old versions of the cars and 5 new versions of the cars as well. Pretty cool set, and I do like collecting it. And the colour on this car has an awesome name. It's metallic root beer, and you can definitely tell it's kind of a mix between a burnt orange and brown. Very unique. I don't think I've seen it on any other castings, to be honest. And I do like my Porsches, so I'm going to be taking this one. And let's keep looking. Really nice 2016 Cadillac ATS VR in bright orange. This is from that Nightspeed set of 2026. Street racing car, massive spoiler on the back, huge wide body, and really good decals. What more do you want? Really awesome. I do have one of these already, but I wouldn't mind taking one to open. And at this price, yeah, I'm definitely going to be taking this. And I have noticed 2 Ferraris, guys. We found 2 Ferraris. We've got the Ferrari F40 Competizione from that Ferrari set, which unfortunately is not the super treasure hunt, but it is still a fantastic looking casting. It would have Spectraflame paint, rubber wheels, a TH logo on the car, and a golden stamp on the back if it was a super treasure hunt. But what an awesome casting, and one that a lot of people are looking for right now. I'll check through my collection app to see how many I've got, and I might just leave this one here for somebody else. And look at this. I've not seen this one anywhere. It's the brand new for 2026 Ferrari 12 Cilindri. And all I can say about this casting is that colour is beautiful. I don't know if it'll come through on the camera, guys, but that red, it just sings Ferrari. Really unique, modern Ferrari. And look at the front end here, guys. We do have the Ferrari badge there and on the side fender as well. We don't get any detailing on the back, but it's quite good tooling. So happy I found this one. I know a lot of people are after it, so yeah, this will be added to my Ferrari collection. Let's pop it down there and let's keep looking. We got a second Cilindri. If I'm butchering the name, guys, then yeah, let me know in the comments what it's actually called. And I wouldn't mind having one open, so yeah, I'll definitely take this as well. Let's keep looking. Oh, we've got the 2017 Audi RS6 Avant in yellow from the Hot Wheels Euro set as well. I did pick this up from Tesco the other day, and it's just a great casting all round. Loads of detailing on this with license plates and brake lights and headlights and badges. Such a clean one, and I do love yellow cars as well, so yeah, really cool. I'll pop it down here. And I can see what could be a super treasure hunt, but it is not. It's the 84 Impala. This is just your standard mainline casting from that Lane Lowrider set of 2026. Still a cool car, and I like the stance on this thing, how low it's riding on those wheels. Does look great, doesn't it? Let's pop it down here. What else have we got? We've got another Ferrari F40 Competizione. I don't need any more, guys. I definitely know I've got maybe 2 at home, and I'll open one up. I do want to pick up things as well for trade though, especially when we go to some toy fairs, events and die-cast trades and stuff like that. So sometimes I do pick up a little bit more, and I hope you appreciate that most of my dupes are either loose or ready for trade. But yeah, I'll definitely be leaving this one here. Let's keep looking. This is one I've been waiting to find in the stores. It's the Liberty Works Lamborghini Huracan Coupe. This is also from that Nightspeed set, so it's supposed to be a street racing Lamborghini, and I'm a big lover of Liberty Walk cars and castings, so this is going to be right at home in my collection. It looks like an absolute beast in this matte black with those bronze and white highlights. Yeah, great car. Definitely going to be taking this one. Let's keep going. We got the 2023 Nissan Z, and the reason I wanted to mention this one is because we've got 2 other cars here that have all got the same colour and racing livery. Let me pop all this together so you can see it. There we go. So yeah, maybe a little side collection you could be doing, but you can see that's the original Datsun 240Z with a 2023 Nissan Z being the modern one from that then and now set. 3 awesome castings in matching liveries. Very cool to see them all together. Them there. Let's keep looking. Oh, no way. It's the 1985 Honda CRX, which is from that Japanese import set of 2026. I'm a massive fan of Honda and this casting and compact cars. So yeah, this is ticking all the boxes for me. In yellow as well with black wheels. Very cool modern livery on this thing as well for being such an old car. I think it looks really, really good. It's even got the Honda badge stamped on the roof of this thing. Great shape, great car, love this casting, I'm definitely taking that. And it looks like we've only got a few more in this box. We've got the Chevy Silverado, we've got the 69 Chevelle, we've got a Corvette Grand Sport, we've got the 76 Chevy Chevette. I don't know why people put them up there though, you wreck the top of the cards. We've got the Decidedly Go from the Mattel set, cool set. We've got another Ferrari, the Dark Knight Batmobile, and we end on a Haku Type D from the Compact King set of 2026. And I love my compact cars, so I am collecting most of this set. Not really fussed about this Fantasy, although it does look pretty cool for a Fantasy, doesn't it? It does look like a futuristic Japanese car. So I'm going to tidy everything up that I've just pulled out of this box. I'll go through the other boxes and I'll let you know if there's anything special in those and anything that I find that's good. Well, I've tidied up and checked all the other boxes and there was not really much that I wanted for my collection. Nothing we haven't seen before in other stores, guys. Is there anything I've left behind that you guys would have taken? Let me know in the comments and I'll see you on the next one. Happy hunting.